And if you're interested in working 2 hours a week, well then I would say get yourself a car wash and get the right employee. G'day viewers, it's Chris Atkins here and welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Now I have to address the elephant in the room. Last night I gave myself a haircut. I don't know what I was thinking, but whether I'm just too lazy to go to the barber and get one, or whether I'm just too cheap to spend $30 on a haircut. But it happened and this is the result, so whatever. Now that that's out of the way, whether you think it looks good or terrible like myself, we're heading to Lancaster car wash. We're gonna go check it out, see what's going on up there. And I thought I'd make a video, bring you guys along and check it out. Now, as you might know if you've seen my previous videos, Lancaster is my Uncle Stuart's car wash, but I run it for him. I go out there twice a week, basically just to check on everything, collect the cash and see how everything's going. So let's go see what's going on at Lancaster, California. It's about an hour north of Los Angeles, so not too bad of a drive. It's easy. Let me show you. And for those of you who aren't familiar with my channel and aren't sure what Lancaster car wash is like, it's basically pretty much the only one in Lancaster that's kind of worth going to. It's a big 6-bay on a busy main road. It's almost time to renovate it because looking at it, yes, it looks really run down and probably needs a new paint job and the holders on the walls and everything. It's kind of getting time to rehab it and bring it back to life a little bit. But even if we do that, it probably won't bring in much more revenue just based on the fact that it's already busy and people already go there because it's pretty much the only one to go to. There's a few other in Lancaster, but they're really run down and people aren't going to go there. So it's the only one there, so we're in no super hurry to rehab it and make it look nice, but it's about that time just to keep on top of things. As long as everything works, it's all good. Now it's just about making the place look nice and pretty. So you'll know what I mean when we get there, and I'll be there very shortly, so we'll check it out there. So we've got a little cashier that came out of there, the bill holder, which is in the bill changer, of course. Now let's check the hoppers. These have quarters in them. This is what dispenses out when people put in bills in the bill changer. So, little dark. That one's kind of low, and this one's kind of high. So this one's up to here, this one's down to here. So this one's not working right now. It needs to be taken out and cleaned. So let's do that. So I'm just using this, it's like a big giant toothbrush, just to clean in here. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a track that the coins go on. And sometimes all the grime and dirt just builds up, so just gotta give it a clean. So that should be good. Let's put that back. Always put that back on, otherwise they'll fall on your head. Start with quarters. It should be good now. Little baseball bat for protection. So that pretty much does it for Lancaster. I got the cash, I counted the quarters, I swept up, I hosed down all the mud in the bays because winter time we get a bunch of mud. It sucks because we make less during the winter, but we're gonna do more work. But that's all right because summer pays off. So I'm about to lock it up. I think I spent probably an hour and a half here. Usually it's about an hour, but just because of the extra mud, it took a little longer. So I'm about to head home, hour drive home, and that does it for Lancaster. So that's pretty much a typical day at Lancaster Car Wash. I'll head out there, pretty much do what has to be done, count the quarters, get the cash, sweep up and empty the trash bins. As long as everything's working, I mean, you saw today that I had to change out a gun because it was leaking, but that took maybe like 2 minutes, so that's nice and easy. And that's very rare that I have to do that. No major problems, no major leaks anywhere, didn't have to get on any ladders, so that's always nice. You're usually in and out there within an hour, and I go out there twice a week, so it's 2 hours work. I know it's a bit much, but someone's got to do it. But that's obviously once it's built up and everything. Once you build it up, then you just got to maintain everything, and then it can be 2 hours work a week. And if you're interested in working 2 hours a week, well then I would say get yourself a car wash and get the right employee. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys a typical day at Lancaster Car Wash for me. And of course, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. That's the whole YouTube thing to say, so I said it. And of course, check out my Instagram and TikTok at Car Wash Chronicles. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all next time. Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles.